Hi, I'm Alexander from Renee of Paris. Today I'm going to talk to you about this gorgeous new topper from the Alexander Couture Collection. This is the high heat mid straight topper and it is amazing. So the high heat mid straight topper has a lace part, we have middle part, we have these gorgeous curtain bangs and this amazing face framing longer layers that come around the front and just tuck in gorgeously underneath the chin. We've got this amazing length, which is perfect if you're integrating it into your own hair, or if you're wearing it just at this length, it looks perfect too. Looks gorgeous. The high heat mid straight topper has a lovely large base, has 3 clips, large clips for securing, and has a lace part.